Let's see how to verify a phone number or an email address within a chatbot. So that means when we actually collect their email and address and phone number within a chatbot, and we actually send them a unique pin code to their email and SMS to verify it as well. So without any further ado, let me show the demo how this works. So here let me show the flow as well. So for example, for the verify email address, here is how this flow actually looks like. So let me open it and show you guys. So here is how the verify email address flow looks like. For example, we actually ask for their email address, and after that we actually send an email address within this flow builder using our send email option over here. And after that we also ask the customer to enter their pin code, and here we actually check if the pin code is the one we actually send them in the random email, and if it's correct we say the email address is verified. If it's not, it's wrong pin code, and we actually provide them an option to try again or request a new pin code as well. So as you see, this is actually supports Omni channel. So that means if I click on over here, it says these kind of channels. So this can work on all these channels. So just for the demo, let me show how this actually can work on Instagram. This is my Instagram, and let me send a message over here. So we can actually trigger flows using specific keywords, or you can even preview using this particular kind of links as well. So here we are actually triggering this specific flow using the automated responses. So that means you can trigger specific flows based on customers replies. So here if someone says V1, and we actually send the flow verify email address, which is this one. So if I send a message on Instagram as V1, then I should receive this particular flow triggering from the starting step, asking me the email address. So it actually asked me for the email address. So let me provide an email address over here and see how this goes. So after I provide the email address, it says the email opt-in will be set, and we actually clear the custom field. So this is a random number, so you can think of this as a variable stored in a customer user field, and here we also generating a random number. So that means, so this particular random number is generated through this particular action, and the particular random number will be between 1000 and 9000, and we are saving that specific random number which is generated to this specific field called random number, and we are sending that specific random number in the email itself. So as you see here, we are sending this specific random number. So to call any kind of fields or variables over here, you can simply start typing one curly bracket, and you can simply type random number or something like that, and it will be over there. So you can simply select from there. So that is how this email step setup, and after that they will be asked to enter the pin code over here as well. So let me share my Instagram screen over here. So this is the message I received after entered the email address. So basically this email should be sent to me as well. So here is the pin code I received in the email. It says 66832. so let me enter the exact, let me enter 6833 instead of 6832. So it should say it's a wrong pin code and ask me to enter again. So if I enter the correct pin code again, it should say me yes, it's correct, or your email address has been verified, and it says that one. So now let's see how this phone verification code flow looks like. So it's very similar, but instead of asking for the email address, we are simply asking for the phone number, and here we are actually saving it in the phone field. And as you see here, we are actually generating a random number and storing in this specific field, and we are sending that specific random number as an SMS to the customer, and after that we actually ask the customer to enter the specific random number as well. So let me this time I'm going to try this in Telegram. So as you know, we can trigger flows using these automated responses, and here it's set up in such a way V2. That means if someone send me V2 keyword, this particular flow will be triggered over here. So let's do that over here. So this is Telegram, and if we press V2 over here, let's see what happens. And it actually asks me for the phone number. So let me enter a phone number over here, 5673. So I provide the phone number. It simply asks me the pin code which is sent to the phone number. So let me open the phone number over here. So we should see a phone number. So we actually received a pin code. It says 4019. So that's the pin code I received in the SMS. So let me enter 4019. So let me enter something else and see what happens. So it should say it's a wrong pin. So what I can do is I can request a new pin code as well. So let me request a new pin code and I should receive a new pin code. So let's see, as you see here, it actually sent me a new pin code. It says 5883. So let me enter the correct pin code over here, 5883, and it says your phone number has been verified. So that's how you actually can verify any kind of a phone number or email address you collect within the chatbot and send any kind of marketing or promotional messages to your customers later. So this specific chatbot is created using our chatting media platform. So you can find more detail about our platform on this specific website, including all the features. So if you can actually play, there's a video on this particular page as well. So you may play this video and learn more about our platform, and also you might check out specific links over here to find more about each of the features over here. So if you have any questions or if you want to set up the same kind of things in your business, let us know in the comments. Thank you.